It's raining or it's drizzling. Ooh, and I gotta walk. It's okay. Right now, I'm about to go to HEB because I gotta get my second COVID shot. If you know me, you probably like, oh my God, not her taking a COVID shot. But my dad said that to me this morning. I was talking to him earlier today, and tell me why he gonna say, because I told him I got vaccinated, and he gonna say, Taylor Shaw got vaccinated? I was like, oh, and she did. Anyways, yeah, let's go ahead and go to the HEB. Yeah, to get vaccinated. Also, y'all, I'm going to be packing and stuff in this video and all of that. Oh my God. Getting ready because I'm going to my hometown, Houston, this weekend. Not my hometown, but you know, I grew up there, so it is what it is. But I'm going back to Houston, and yeah, so I'm going to take y'all with me. Hi. I'm going to take y'all with me to Houston because that's going to be fun. I'm finna see my girl Essence. So stay tuned because it's finna be up. Yeah, so let's go though. Y'all, bro, I just realized, bro, today is the 2nd of February. Tell me why I thought today was yesterday. My appointment was for yesterday. I didn't even realize until I called the people and told them that I was late for my appointment. And she said, well, if you have an appointment today. And I looked at the date, and today is today and not yesterday. Bro, I'm tired of being a crackhead. I am. No, I'm not. But I am. Sometimes it's very overwhelming. I don't know why I thought today was yesterday and yesterday. So we finna see what they can do. I don't know if they can take appointments, but I just said, look, if they gonna take me today, then that means that I needed to get it. If they don't take me today, everything happens for a reason. So, and I am going to Houston this weekend, so I don't know if getting this booster shot will affect me. If that makes sense. I just got here, and they did tell me that they had another. Well, I don't know why I'm nervous to get this shot, y'all. I'm very, very nervous to get this shot because everybody say that the second shot make you sick. So I'm nervous, but I know that I'm only gonna be sick for like a day or two if I get sick. So, but they had another one, so I guess I'm gonna go ahead and take it. Ghetto. Okay, but I'm gonna go. I'll show y'all. Guess it didn't hurt too bad, John. I just be a little drama queen about everything, but I don't know. I guess we're gonna see what happens later. I don't know if I'm gonna get sick or not from this daggone shot, bruh. I don't know. We're just gonna have to see what happens, straight up like that. But I'm just walking around here for a little bit because I'm bored and I don't have nothing else to do when I get home. So why not just walk around for a little bit? So what's up? I just got home from work. Right now, what I'm about to do, I'm probably about to just pack because I already edited the first part of this video.
Like narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo, chop trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato, take out, no monkey in the jungle, fly high like a sauna, bouncing nothing, I'm trying to weave an anaconda, jumping in the water, trying to slip across the water, got see yours out, got me big bad for Ronald, out, bag of money, know I gotta have it, savage, but so I just got done packing, as y'all can see. I do have like a couple more things to pack, which I'm about to go wash because the shirt that I want to wear, I wore it to work because it was cold. So I have to go do some laundry real fast. So I'm about to put this on real quick because it's cold. I know y'all heard that. Right now I'm about to just take this downstairs, do some laundry, so we can make sure we at least have something to sleep in because I did not pack nothing to sleep in. And then after that, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I may journal or I may keep watching YouTube videos. I'm watching YouTube videos more as like a tool to help or like to study them. So I may do that. I don't know. Whatever I do, y'all see it probably because I'm gonna just pop it up here and just record. Oh, I gotta get my gel and like my jewelry and stuff. So I have my crystal bracelet. Well, it's broken, but I still use the crystals. So I'm gonna take that with me.
And my B12 because your girl got low iron deficiency. I think that's what that's called. Y'all, these be my nights. Like, I just be chilling. You know what I'm saying? I just be chilling and healing. That's it.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something terrible.
Okay, I hope y'all can hear me right now. Right now, I'm walking home. I just got off work. So, the only reason that I'm coming in right now is probably because the only reason that I'm coming in right now is because I'm probably gonna be spending time in the car with my family, so y'all not gonna hear from me too much in the car. But I'm about to get in the car. I'm walking home from work and I'm about to get in the car with my mother. So yeah, 3-hour drive, so it's not that long, but you know, let's go. I'll see y'all in the next clip, I guess. Okay, I just got here. I didn't really vlog too much on the road because, like I said, I was talking to my people. But I'm about to journal and go to bed because your girl's tired and it's like 9:30. But I'm about to put some lotion on, journal, move through, and that's pretty much it for today. So I'm gonna see y'all. Y'all finna see me journaling, but after that, I'm finna see y'all tomorrow. So I just woke up obviously I have Carmex on my lips, but I just got up technically. I woke up at like 5 though, because my body's just used to waking up at 5. But I'm like, girl, why are you waking up at 5? Girl, you on vacation kind of ish. So I think we should not do that. So I don't know why I just did that. So yeah, anyways, I woke up at 5 and then I put on some abundance affirmations and some readings and stuff like that. And I meditated too. So I did meditation, but I did it in bed because I didn't feel like getting up. But yeah, and then I just got back. I went back to sleep. And so now it's like 9 something and I'm up. I think I'm the only one up because they be staying up late here. I go to bed at 9. But what I'm probably about to do right now, which y'all not finna see, but I'm finna edit the last clips that y'all just saw together. That way we'll have more space on my phone. 'Cause I don't know if y'all know, but I record on my phone. So I have more space on my phone if, I edit everything together and just save it as one. So that's probably what I'm about to do. But the next clip y'all gonna see me getting ready. So that's also what I'm about to do. But I am going on a little date with my friends later, so that's nice. And also I have family coming over at 3. And also I think I forgot that I paid the $99.99 at America's Best, where you get free exams for the next 3 years. So I'm gonna go do that and then get the trial pair of the contacts because I need that. And then I'm gonna just order it online because it's cheaper. My mom said it's cheaper to order them online than it is to order them from them. So I'm just gonna do that. So that's the day. If you follow me on Instagram, which you should, I'm gonna put it in the description below and it's on the screen. But follow me on my Instagram because Instagram definitely saw behind the scenes stuff of this trip before everybody else did. So make sure you follow my Instagram, like I said, in the description box, and also it's like right here. So just follow it. Just type it in or whatever, or click the link. You don't even have to type it in. Just click the link and click follow. Boom. That's all you gotta do. Lessons. I treat the beat like it's a reverend. I tell the truth like Father, forgive me. These are all my confessions. Man, this wasn't luck, it was destined. I done lost homies who been with me since Eddie, who flip like confetti. And then when you back, they back to call you dog. That shit can get petty. Bitch, don't get no dap to me, nigga. Funny thing about talking behind my back is that it just keep coming back to me, nigga. Was off for a sec, now it's back to me, nigga. You mad at me? This ain't what I want, man. This what it had to be. This is that late night working after 3, man. This is why my old girl was mad at me. This why I'm your majesty, man. The click is the tightest, the pussy the tightest, the drinks are the coldest, the future the brightest, the feet not divided, the love is divided, and I just got it. Thank God that we got it. Bless. I don't know what I would do without a crew. Look like we robbed the bank, but all we make is deposits. Your profit will profit. Bruh.
Go ahead and stop recording for me.
Do you wear
Something cute. You wear my dunks?
Let me see you first. Snakes on a plane. You want B12? It's a vitamin. Oh, that's that seasoning. Oh, it's an agenda jacket. So you didn't see a documentary? Or Incident with Justin Timberlake. What incident with Justin Timberlake? You want that? Her baby's ugly though. Yeah. They are ugly. Now you telling me to say, leave my baby alone. Bruh, you telling me them little baby dogs is cute?
They are cute. They're adorable because they're mine.
Ugly.
Because they're mine. No.
Oh boy. Say hello.
Yo, hear me out. Anybody do that dance, you're nasty up, and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. Can a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out.
If I feel like it. I'll just play the Miles Morales Spider-Man games.
So you're not gonna enjoy the family time?
What family time? Nobody talk to me. I'm the weird cousin that nobody likes.
Cause I've been here.
Don't touch me.
It's good. It's good. Verse.
I like Daniel.
Say hey. What you got to say? And what else? And hi. Hey and hi. That's a pretty good message. They don't know. Never know. What you eating? What that is? That's for me? It better be. You eating dry chicken nuggets? You like dry chicken nuggets? Oh.
She be talking about she want hot sauce and all that, but she need ketchup.
Oh. Ketchup is spicy? No?
I want hot sauce and chicken nuggets and pineapple.
And don't eat a goddamn man. Girl, it made me waste my money.
The thing about that, she gotta be careful with that junk, because if something happened to somebody, there's something happened to her. She don't have no.
She probably got different aliens.
I love them. What I love about my locks is I can just wake up in the morning, do my edges, and go about my business. I ain't gotta worry about putting my hair in a puff. I ain't gotta worry about combing it. I ain't gotta worry about washing, detangling. I ain't gotta do none of that. I just get up, take my do-rag off, spray it, do my edges.
Working with her, she
I know,
told
I
me,
told you
but
about it.
you gave me her number.
I told him, I said, don't call her until you ready to do it.
I heard it.
Remember we used to go out
Man,
there?
look, baby. Oh, yeah, I remember. Baby, look, I used to leave it, your uncle used to leave out there soaking wet. Go up in there smelling so good. Leave out there soaking wet, bro. Well, I gotta run to
Soaking
the car.
wet?
Yeah.
He had old and new school R&B.
Sweating.
Last
Dancing on that.
Cause Becky be over in the corner like this.
Be like, huh?
That's how they be.
They be like, they feel like all they can have to do is just their hair, and you gonna just like blink twice and be like, oh. Girl, you damn near bald head. You losing hair, man. I'm gonna get lit like, you understand? That's what I'm gonna do. And then, so I can go to Mexico.
I didn't know he reopened his place.
And then,
Place we used to go to.
his thing saying you was in a Montrose area. Okay, well.
No, I wasn't invited, y'all. You wanted to just tell me.
Well, I mean, because I didn't know. Why do I gotta explain myself? I'm not even married to you, Kim. I shouldn't have to explain myself to you.
Yourself when you are interfering in my marriage.
Kim, you know how me and Mike used to do. That's how we used to do. I just hear dude, I'm like, let's go, bam. I feel you have your daughters and your sisters, bam. We good. Oh shit. You got more of me and your daddy's side, bro.
I don't do nothing. I'm about to.
You got me and your daddy's side. Man, we used to stay. Daddy used to be like, hand me that license, cause we both black. Go in the club.
They got 18-year-old clubs out here. But I don't do clubs like that.
This was in New Orleans though.
Yeah.
Kim, that's something when we got to the liquor store, I said, man, let's get a dagger. And he was like, I know where you can go. Kim, you think I'm about to come way back from almost close to 6?
Yeah.
To come and pick you up, man?
You wasn't gonna have a lot.
You give me a wink or something. I'm not forcing you to go.
I went on. Okay, so wait, forcing was down.
Period. I just quit.
I ain't never heard something like that.
I'm on the Greyhound bus right now. And I'm just chilling here writing about my weekend and how good it was to spend time with family and friends and, like, you know, stuff like that. So that's pretty much all I'm doing, and just listening to music and just kind of just vibing. Because when I first got on here, like, my anxiety was like really bad. I don't know why. I guess it's because I don't normally ride the Greyhound bus, so I guess like a part of me felt unsafe. But when I actually, like, you know, once we actually started moving and I turned my music on and I started riding, I felt a lot better. So yeah, but I'm about to continue to listen to some music and write more, and maybe, I don't know, probably not take a little nap, but you know, because it's only a 3-hour drive. But yeah.